Oh, man, this place was awesome. I got to get to my next stop, though, man. I'm fine to drive on this, but I don't want to get dehydrated on the way. I better do this shot. I don't want to be driving around with 2 drinks on me.
Hoebee.
What?
You don't want to do it, man. You don't want to ruin your vacation. Come on.
Is that the voice of reason? For some reason, I'm mysteriously drawn back inside the bar. Sir, you're wearing a suit in a bar. I'm assuming you're a lawyer.
It's a good assumption, sir.
Well, a voice in my head just told me not to drive. I understand South Carolina has some pretty weird drunk driving laws.
Well, I wouldn't say weird, but they can be strict, yes. You're thinking of driving?
I was thinking of driving.
How much have you had to drink?
30.
30? Nah, don't drive. Punishment can be very strict. It depends on whether you blow on the breathalyzer or not, and whether you're convicted or not, and if the officer follows the procedures that we have here in South Carolina. If you get pulled over, cooperate with the officer. You don't have to do the field sobriety test on the roadside. Unless you injure someone or kill someone, then the law states that you have to do those tests. And you don't have to take the breath test. We have public intoxication laws, drinking in public, open container laws in the motor vehicle. Any of those, if you're walking down the street and are intoxicated, you could certainly get arrested.
So if you're just out in public, if you leave the bar and you're walking around, you can get in trouble for that.
Absolutely, and that applies for the beach as well. If you're intoxicated on the beach.
For the beach as well.
Absolutely.
Is there a drunk driving test for you, or is it just the officers,
The officers don't have to give you a breathalyzer test to charge you with public intoxication.
And as far as open container in the car, I don't know that there's a state in the union that allows that, but if you're getting pulled over with an open container in your car, you're in trouble.
Absolutely. Open container, mixed drink, bottle of wine, liquor that has the seal broken, any of that, it's against the law.
You can get in trouble. Is there anything else we should know about this?
If you've been drinking and you get pulled over for DUI, my advice would be not to blow on the breathalyzer because the penalties go up if there's a high reading.
I get that too, because if you have a high reading, you're going to get a bigger penalty, is what he's saying. I'm just for the everyday Joe, but if you don't blow at all, they don't know what.
They don't have any evidence.
They have no evidence on it right now.
So for friends, family, and you viewers out there, tell them who you are.
My name's Trent Chambers, and you can reach me at 843-692-7953. Thank you.
My advice to you is to write that on your arm with a Sharpie before you go out, if you're even thinking about drinking and driving or rambling around bothering people drunk. And there it is, another health and safety tip from your drinking expert, Bill Hoebee, here on Club Hour. Thanks, Trent.
Thank you, Bill.
I feel like I'm smarter now. Smart enough not to drive.